Taoiseach, the cost of filling a car with petrol at the moment is €100 currently. It's €19 above what it was just 5 years ago. 60% of the cost of a litre of diesel is now tax. 65% of the cost of a litre of petrol is now tax. 54-cent excise, 2-cent NORA, 16-cent carbon tax, 8-cent better energy tax, and 32-cent on VAT. Out of a $1.73 price for petrol for the price of a litre of petrol, $1.13 is now government tax. The government has taken the majority of the cost of a litre of petrol and diesel in tax. A €100 fill of a tank would actually cost €35 if it wasn't for the ever-increasing fuel taxes by this government. And these taxes aren't progressive. They hurt low and middle-income families the most, and they hurt those in regional and rural Ireland the most. In 2024, your government took €4.1 billion in fuel taxes. That was the highest ever in the peak of the cost of living crisis. In 2024, carbon tax reached €1 billion for the first time, and is now the largest fuel tax in the country. And it's going to increase for every year up to 2030, no matter what the economic circumstance of the citizens of this country. So, the war in Iran will likely send the cost of fuel surging. Academics are saying that the price of petrol could increase by 70 cents to €2.44. Diesel could increase by 81 cents to €2.53. That would bring a full tank for petrol and diesel in this country above €150. These are eye-watering figures, Taoiseach. Now, already this is happening. On Friday, a fill of home heating oil costs about €1,000 in the state, and it's increased about €150 just in 4 days. This shouldn't be happening because the supply chain purchased this oil before the crisis in Iran. Now, according to academics again, a fill of home heating oil could actually top out at €2,000 in this particular situation. Incredibly, Taoiseach, your government will be quids in from this increase in the prices of fuel. So not only are families being price gouged, the truth of the matter is this government is tax gouging in these circumstances. So when the price of fuel increases in this country, you make more in taxation on that increased price. That is an incredible situation. So what I'm proposing here is that the government look at the carbon taxes. We were told that carbon taxes were to change behaviour, that it was to move people away from fossil fuels, that if it reached a certain price, people would then make that change. But if the market is already reaching that price, well then surely the carbon tax is just punitive in relation to that. We were told that the carbon tax was about moving people away into alternatives, such as sustainable transport, or to other ways of heating their homes. But if they can't do that, is a carbon tax not just punitive in that scenario? Will you scrap the carbon tax on petrol and diesel if the cost increases beyond current levels?